Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use AI in Notion. Now Notion has integrated artificial intelligence into its platform to enhance productivity, creativity and collaboration within your workspace. Now how can you utilize the feature? First of all, you must enable Notion AI. Now for you to enable Notion AI, it requires a subscription. Yes, AI features are available to users with Notion AI subscription, typically around $10 per month per user. So how do you activate Notion AI? First of all, you have to open Notion on your laptop, then click on Settings and Members in the sidebar. Navigate to the Notion AI section and toggle the switch to enable Notion AI. Now let's go to the feature we want to use today. The feature I want to use is the PDF and image analysis feature. Now, this PDF and image analysis feature helps to extract insights from uploaded PDFs and images, summarizing content or generating actionable plans. So how do you use it? You have to first click on the search icon to upload a file or image. Next, select the desired action, e.g. summarize or analyze, and then review and integrate the AI's insights into your workspace. It's simple as that. Please ensure your data is secure by using AI tools that offer data encryption and adhere to privacy policies. Also, regularly check for Notion updates to access the latest AI features and improvements. By integrating AI into your Notion workflow, you can enhance productivity, streamline content creation, and effectively manage your projects.